faculty together working 24 hours of the day, like in the library. That is the vital difference between a startup and an The whole team moves and propels the whole thing. First thing we do is when I know, I have got 2 examples now, we are dealing with them. We know that this team is not going to move forward. We know. And 3 years ago, I would have told you they are excellent. That fellow was double doctorate from MIT and Stanford and all this fellow. Now I know that none of those degrees help. Motivation, so many things come into picture. Everything except your degree. They are tremendous important. Believe me, tremendous. And that's why, somebody was saying, they keep asking the team. That is what the VC looks at. In 2 minutes, he knows this team is not going to go forward. When I was told that when I joined Science as the professor in charge, apart from my duties in the mechanical department, I didn't believe it, but I started seeing slowly what it means. The team is important, what is the meaning of it. One fellow in the team, one rotten apple and the whole thing is gone. I have seen startups collapse because one fellow divorced his first wife, married the second one who was an MBA, and she wanted to join him. Come. That's it. The whole startup. The team is a very important factor. All of us must be on the same frequency. There must be innovation in business. Don't think innovation ends with your technology. It starts, the moment you start a business, heavy amount of innovation is required. One of our students got into the retail sector. He wanted to develop a product which, as you walk into the store, will tell you what is your specialty to that. Are they available? Which ones are they available? Where are they now in the mall? We don't agree. People, almost, they have come to the stage where the BRD is there. Yes. The famous fellow was set up for a huge number of malls. Yeah. He wants a big bazaar. He wanted to strike a deal. Any number of times he goes really, operator tells him, first he has gone. He won't be available till late in the night. Where do I get him at late in the night? I don't know. Can you give me his mobile number? No, sorry. This is how it goes. So what this fellow did, he came to know that he was going to a seminar in Tata. And he saw it in the newspaper. So he went and passed in the Professor Tata. It was booked by Bihari holding. When Bihari walked up, this fellow walked up to him. And he saw a young fellow with this book. Hey, what are you doing? I'm reading that book. Have you read it? So this fellow was very clever. He had made enough with his math to convince anybody that he had read it. So he said, what are you doing? I'm in IIT, I'm in the retail space, I have developed this product. That is known as the elevator pitch. If in 1 minute you can't convince the other fellow, in that 1 minute he convinced him and he gave him his card with a direct line to him. Then his colleague got married, divorced his first wife, got married to another, and the whole thing. And then you hear stories of the very tragic. So the team is very, very important. What kind of people do you have? Technology is available, there were other investors, not necessary. We have not been able to stay in that. Yeah, there's something. Yeah, but then the team has scattered. The team has scattered. Technology moves, it's very important. That fellow who got diverse and got married. His capability to write very advanced mathematical phenomenal. Nobody can match. That is the problem. Only teacher is all in his head. Very advanced computer. You know that BTech in computer science is a top student in our institute. Well, that's like the best need not be the best. Best student need not be the best. You need a. So that is where the team is. The team is important, I would say, get the right team in place. Marketing, market savvy first. Don't go and hire Amarnath because he has been sitting in China IIT and he knows all about it, all these things. You won't get anything out of that. What does the individual, what is the value he adds to it? He adds to the venture. That is the question we have to ask. What is the value that this person is going to add to the technology or the whichever? That is very important. So one stop is, I keep telling my students, to teach you how to select the right person. Because you take your mama. One of my students, he said, my mama is a chartered accountant. You don't think you are keeping your mama out. Get somebody else who will tell you on your face you are wrong. That's the whole part. Okay? So then that is the importance of it. Then you go to the investor. Now you are prepared. You have prepared your ground. Investors typically look at. In India, it is late stage. Unfortunately. They will like that. They look at the late stage. And in the West, they look at the early stage. Otherwise, Google would have gone back. Okay. In India, in the IT sector, they are looking at early stage, but as you go along. But there are also mechanical engineering. We have one product which has come out of IIT. 3 PhD students and they are guided together set up the company. For 3 years they had worked quietly on an engine control system. Okay? For 2 wheelers. Bringing down pollution by about 80% and picking up the fuel efficiency by about 20%. It's phenomenal. They have attracted an investment of $1 million from an American company. At very early stage, as soon as they kept in the incubator, within a couple of weeks, they got it. Now, how do they know whom to approach? That is the job of the engineer. We, sitting there, piloting 17 companies, know this person will invest in this sector. The investors are also specialists. They will invest in certain sectors, not everywhere. Whichever sector they understand, they will invest. So we guide them. And we pick up the telephone and tell the investor, are you interested in this particular company? He says, just walk in. And we make the IIT behind. It makes a difference. So that's what we do in the industry. Now, there are 2 types of investors, the VC. The VC wants to get his money within 3 to 5 years. The venture capitalist, I first thought it was vice chancellor. I used to wonder why they are talking about vice chancellor, who don't know anything about business. So VC is a venture capitalist who has a 3 to 5 year horizon. What he does is he collects money from 10 people and the 10 people give him because they know where to invest. He is a clever person. He knows how to invest. So the 10 people's money I take $1 million from each. I collect about $10 million and I promise them that within 3 to 5 years I give them back $5. So now I have to make sure I invest. I invest in 10 places, out of which one may give me a solid return which I use it. And if I succeed once, next time. And the VC is typically a fellow who has earlier been what do you call entrepreneur. Typically they are VC types. They have made their money, now they don't know what to do with the money, they go out. Then there is the angel investor, he gives you money, they have got both. He gives you money and he says, look, just like you put it in the stock market, let the stock go up. They also keep an eye. But the angels is not angels who are human. See, nowadays, angel clubs have come. VC clubs, VCs have got together called investment firms that are formed.